Hello all. Welcome back to General Bio. Um, I know this has been a crazy couple of weeks, but we're going to jump right back into the content and work through it at our best pace possible. So for now, here's what we're going to do. We are going to be running this course through Moodle, and there are some specific expectations that you're going to have as you go through the course. You need to check in at least once a week and try and set aside for a full week 2.5 hours per course a week, or at least 30 minutes per class day. That should cover all your classes. So if it's a full 5-day school week normally, and you have 7 classes, that's about 17.5 hours altogether. I will be taking attendance. I can see how long you're on Moodle, what you're doing, when, and I will try and give you a heads up week to week about what we are doing. For now, a couple other important things you need to know is I will be having office hours during this time, Tuesdays and Fridays from 12:30 to 1:30 to answer emails, questions, help, get responses in, and to video conference if you need me. And please ask about extra credit. I'm willing to give extra credit at this time. Please do. So for this week, the biggest thing you need to do is, number 1, complete this ed puzzle, which states that you've checked in, which is great. Hooray, you're almost done with that. Submit your genetic disorder project by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. This will be for a pass-fail grade, meaning if you do at least what you need to do to pass in the rubric, you will pass. Make sure you're putting in the majority of the effort, though, because sometimes you may overestimate the amount of work put into something, or you might underestimate how much you've put in. So be very cautious about that and make sure you do your best on the project. We're going to start another project on Monday. Details will follow then. And soon we are going to jump into the evolution unit. But for now, this is what you need to be working on right now. You each have your genetic disorder assignments. You know what they are. I will also repaste the assignment and rubric in the module that you're looking at currently, and paste a copy of this PowerPoint too, so you have the expectations, you have the office hours in another form. Feel free to contact me if you need to know anything about the course or grades. I'll try my best to answer them, and I will check in on a week-to-week basis. So make sure you're checking in, getting through the work. Don't slack behind on this, because for some of you this will be a lot easier than in class. For some of you it'll be a little more difficult and you need to take some time to look at it. So please do the best you can. Make sure you're checking in with all of your teachers and all of your classes, and good luck. We'll get through this week by week. So that's all from me. I'll check back in with you next week, and for then, good luck. Have a great time. Stay healthy.